Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to Aster Global School. Today we are going to learn something very interesting, that is Robbie's Railroad. Now we all have traveled in trains, right? So first open your English textbook to page number 55. Okay everyone, open your textbook to page number 55. You can see a ticket. This is a golden railway ticket. It will take you wherever you want to go. So first write your name, and here it is written, right, going to, and write the name of the place where you want to go. Okay everyone? Fine. So we are going to study a very interesting story, that is about Robbie. And he loved to watch trains. Now let's see what happens the next. So let's start. Robbie lived in the city near the train station. Now where did Robbie live? Near the train station. His favorite thing was to watch the trains come and go outside his window at different times of the day. Now what did he do? He loved to watch trains coming and going from his window. He never got tired of watching them. He was never tired or bored of watching trains. He just loved to do it. In the summer, Robbie and his mother went to visit Grandpa and Grandma Ray on their farm. Now what happened? In summer season, Robbie and his mother went to visit Grandpa and Grandma Ray on their farm. Robbie was very happy for the first 2 days. Everything was different from the city. Now what happened? Robbie was very happy for first 2 days. It was so new and interesting. He went to a new place. He saw many new things that was different from his city. So he was very amazed. Then one day, Robbie heard a train whistle in the distance. He ran to his mother and asked, "When can we go home, mother, so I can see the trains again?" So what happened? One day, he heard a train whistle. So he ran to his mother and asked, "When we are going back home, I want to see the trains again." "Soon," she said. So what did Robbie's mother say? Soon we are going to go back. Turn the page. Grandpa Ray noticed that little Robbie looked terribly upset every time he heard the whistle. So what happened? Grandpa saw that every time Robbie heard a train whistle, he became sad, very sad. Grandpa Ray loved his grandson very much and did not like to see him unhappy. Now what happened? Grandpa did not like to see Robbie sad or unhappy. Grandpa Ray thought, what about he could do to make Robbie happy? Then he had an idea. So what happened? Grandpa thought, how I can make Robbie happy now? So he got a very great idea. Now let's see. He bought some wood and collected all his tools. Then he called Robbie out to the orchard. Now what is orchard? An area where fruit trees are grown in front of the house, and they began to work. So what did Grandpa do? He brought some wood and many tools, and he also called Robbie and sat in front of house, and they began to work. Grandpa and Robbie built a wooden railway track all around the orchard. So what did they do? They built a railway track all around orchard. Now you can see this image of railway track, and around railway track what are they? These are trees that bear fruit. These all are fruit trees, and in middle grandpa made railway track. Then they built a railway carriage. Now what is railway carriage? A part of train where passengers sit. A platform on wheels which seat for 3 passengers. The carriage could move along the track just like a real train. Robbie could stop and start it by pressing on or letting go of the brake. Now what happened? Grandpa first built a railway track, then he made a railway carriage on wheels which had 3 seats, and Robbie could stop and start it by pressing the brake. Mother came out with a little bell. Robbie and Grandpa climbed into the carriage. Now what happened? Mother came out with a bell and Robbie and Grandpa sat on the carriage. The bell rang. Robbie let go of the brake and the carriage moved along the track. Robbie waved happily to Mother and Grandma as Grandpa steered the train. Steered means turn into a certain direction. Now you can see in the image in your textbook, page number 57. Mother is ringing the bell. Grandma is also there. Robbie and Grandpa are sitting on the carriage. And now the train has started. All the children in the neighborhood came to see Robbie's Railroad. So that is why the name of the lesson is Robbie's Railroad. Everyone got to ride on the train with Robbie. The train ran from morning until night, just like in the city. Grandpa, you are the kindest, dearest and best grandpa in the world, said Robbie. When the summer ended, I can't wait to come back here. So what happened now? Robbie is very happy as grandpa made a railroad for Robbie. Even he made a train carriage, and now Robbie can enjoy the railway ride. So now you understood why the lesson's name is Robbie's Railway, because for Robbie, grandfather made a railroad. Okay? You all enjoyed the lesson? Yes. So now we'll continue next in our next class. Bye everyone.